Hey guys, Brian here with Guardian Safe and Lock. Today we're going to be copying and programming a remote head key for a NV2500. So what we're going to do is set it up on the machine here to duplicate, and then once we're done with that, go outside, make sure the key works, and then get it programmed into the vehicle. Alright, so get it set up. Alright, so we cut the key, now we're going to test it out, make sure it works good. So it does have a little stickiness to it, so we'll clean that up whenever we get back inside, but I'll make sure it works in the ignition first. So it turns pretty smoothly in the ignition, so we're just going to go ahead and do the programming on it. We're using our SmartBox Mini to do the programming. It's one of the ones that we just prefer to use here. Okay, so we're going to go and select our vehicle, just a Nissan. We're working on an NV van. It is a 2017. All available keys must be present at the time of programming, otherwise they will not work. Wants us to pull a PIN code before we go into programming, which, if the programmer is unable to pull the PIN codes, we can still get the PIN code by running the VIN number through the dealership. So it wants us to leave the ignition off, turn the emergency lights on. We did that. 2009-2018, select the new code. That's what we're going to do. Now it wants us to insert the key and turn it to the on position. Okay guys, so we're going to check the key, make sure it turns on the vehicle. Good to go on that. So all we got to do now is the programming for the remote. So I got it already pulled up here on the screen. It just tells me to turn it to the on position. And then go to program the remote. Turn to on, push lock on the remote. Programming successful. Program another remote. No, don't need to. So we are done. Alrighty guys, and that is the complete steps on programming a remote head key for a 2017 Nissan NV2500. Thank you for watching. If you guys don't mind, just like our video, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with all the content that we do, and look forward to the next video. Thanks, guys.